Hi friend, this is @IOldMonk and today we are going to do the unboxing of Honor 10. So Honor 10 is the latest flagship smartphone by Honor company. It is the success of Honor View 10 and there is no pricing. This is a China unit. This is not a retail unit, so definitely you will find some of the changes. But as you can see the device, there is nothing written on the pricing or anything. But the device will be going to be exclusive on Flipkart and it should be priced less than 35,000 what we know till now. And here's the device. We are going to do the unwrapping of the device, and it has a dual rear camera at the back with LED flash. It has a very good blue body with a glass body at the back. In the front also it comes with the 19:9 ratio. Here you can see it is very shiny and glossy. It looks pretty much good. In the top it is written the AI camera. What it is, we will talk about it later. But now we are going to boot the device. In the front it has a notch. It comes with the 5.84-inch full HD display, which is 2240 into 1080 pixels. And here you can see the SIM card ejector slot. There is no back cover, not also the warranty or the warranty card or the user manual. Here you can pause the video and check out the ratings of the charger. It comes with the Type-C charging slot. And now coming back to the device has 2.5D curved glass. It is powered by octa-core Kirin 970, which is a AI chipset. Now talking about the 917 and 970 will support the AI features, which will include the face unlocking and definitely in the camera, the AI features in the camera, the artificial intelligence. So here you can see the unlocking is very smooth. It is just a part. It doesn't take much time. And with the unlocking, there is a fingerprint sensor, which we will talk about it later. So the face unlock is an additional thing. There is a fingerprint and there will be also a pattern unlock. So these are the three things what coming in the front. They have a 24 megapixel camera front facing, and it has a 5.84-inch 19:9 display. It comes with a battery of 3400 milliampere, which is a fast charging support, and also it has a dual 4G VoLTE support, which is an added benefit. It is running on Android 8.1 Oreo with EMUI 8.1, and it has a dual SIM card support. There is no expandable memory. This is a 6GB RAM variant. Here you can see there is a volume rocker key and the power button. In the back, if you go, you can check it out. 16 megapixel camera, which is RGB, and there is also 24 megapixel camera, which is a monochrome. There is a LED flash, and there is also written AI camera. In the bottom there is a Honor branding. It comes with the Type-C charging port. In the top you are also getting the IR blaster with the noise cancellation mic. Now talking about the SIM card slots, let me take out the SIM slot and show you. So there is SIM 1 and SIM 2 card slot. It is not a hybrid one or not a triple card slot. So definitely you can't expand the memory. Let me just get it focused. Here you can see there is two slots, and the device is coming with the 6GB of RAM. There will be an option of 64GB storage and 128GB storage. So I don't think that the 64GB storage is coming to India, but not sure about it right now. But the best part here, you can see there is a 3.5mm jack. There is also Type-C with the fast charging support. There are speaker grills. The speaker grills are mono, but definitely they sound a little louder. In the top you are seeing the notification. Now going about the smartphone, it comes with the Kirin 970 processor. This is coming with the 6GB of RAM and 128GB internal storage. It comes with the Android 8.1 Oreo, and the best part is that it comes with the EMUI. So this, which one is latest? It has a battery of 3400 milliampere. Coming to the front camera, it has a 24 megapixel front camera. Going to the back, it has a 16 megapixel camera but with 24 megapixel rear camera. So definitely you can change the notch, which is an added advantage. Here you can see the notch you can change definitely, which is very easy. If you want a notch, you can keep it, and if you don't want a notch, you can just put it and it will blacken the top side. So this is about the display. Now coming about the fingerprint sensor, you can hardly notice. It is in the bottom chin, and I don't know still you can see that or not, but the fingerprint sensor is really very smooth. It works very fluently, and for the AI feature, as it also uses the gesture, so the gesture feature can be used using the fingerprint sensor. You also get a finger pattern unlock or a pin unlock, with the face unlock. So there are multiple unlock features what you can use with the device. Now and there is also a rotational ball which you can use to go back, and you can enable it, you can play with these features. These are something extra you are getting. The EMUI, I'm not talking about much on it. So here you can see it works as a back button right now, and you can shift it into the entire screen, which is a good part. Now talking about the camera is one more highlight feature. It comes with a dual camera setup at the back, which has a 16 and 24 megapixel camera. It has the AI feature in the camera which you can enable. Here you can see that you can enable it or disable it. And in the back it is a camera coming with the 16 megapixel plus 24 megapixel, where the 24 megapixel is a monochrome camera, whereas the 16 megapixel camera is the RGB camera. Now coming into the front, it is also a 24 megapixel camera. These are the general settings what we have seen with the Honor phones earlier with the EMUI. So now checking out some camera samples. Here you can see it comes with the iPhone XS camera. So the portrait mode is really good, and the bokeh effect is also good. So I was just testing with the rear camera. These are some sample shots using the rear camera. So the picture coming out in the dark is really good. Now here you can see the cloud. This was using the front camera, so the front camera detailing also came out well. So the camera is something impressive. The green, red and blue are very coming up crisp and the vibrant, and it is showing a vivid color. So definitely the camera is something that you can pick it out, and Honor is always coming with the good camera smartphones. Now talking about the Honor 10 versus the iPhone 10, here you can see we are just putting both the devices on one. You can see the camera and the notches. So the iPhone has a little bigger notch. Coming to the back side, the camera setup is different, but the thickness of both the smartphones are pretty much similar. But the Honor 10 is definitely not having a metallic rim on the side. This is all about the Honor 10. This will be coming in the blue, black and the purple. So this is the blue color. It looks very good. The pricing will be the key factor. It will be competing against OnePlus 6, and it will be going on sale on Flipkart, and the smartphone will be priced under 35,000. This is all about Honor 10. This is @IOldMom signing off. Please like the video, share the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.